Jameel and its sister organisation, Community Jameel, are looking to nurture Jeddah's fast-growing creative community. Hi will act as an incubator. It brings together creatives of all disciplines. Alongside this, we'll be running exhibitions from the local community and international tours and an education programme available for all ages.
اسم حي يرمز لروح الترابط والتعاون اللي حيتتمثل في علاقة زوار اللي حيكونون في الموقع.
We work from cultural sensitivity and the context of the site.
The layout of the building and the program is allocated around a central courtyard, uniting the entire community together.
The building design is rare in Jeddah.
It contributes to Jeddah by being a new typology that represents lightness.
احنا نشوف حي كنشاط اجتماعي.
It brings together artists, playwrights, performers, filmmakers and entrepreneurs into one space for the very first time.